You already know how to sell. You're good at it. So why isn't your paycheck saying the same thing? You love what you do, the close, the relationship. What if the skills you already have paid you what they're actually worth? Imagine selling something people have been dreaming about. Road trips, family adventures, freedom. That's what we sell at Funtown RV every single day. Funtown RV is hiring now at our Cleburne, Texas location. And here's what we're bringing. Base pay plus uncapped commission, full benefits, a team that has your back. Your skills transferred directly, no RV experience needed, just bring the hunger. We'll handle the rest. Our top earners came from car sales, real estate, insurance. They brought the skills, we brought the opportunity, and they have not looked back. Interview this Wednesday, virtually. No prep needed, no suit required. Just show up and start selling something people love. Funtown RV. Apply now.